crawling by the coal bottom, looking for a chaw. I seems to eigen sideways with a wicht away big claw. I snap it off my othering, while trying to get away for the gangly-legged suckered feet of an octopus's jaw. Feeling crippled and feeling feared, I didna feel so weel, but I got away for that lad, so I'm nae so daft as I feel. On saying it, I was picked up by a muckle big fat seal, and nipped his moo where the cloth was left, and he dropped me onto a creel. I smelt the bait, and I looked in, boys I couldna believe it I seen, so I crawled in over the ee, and landed on top of my friend. Ouch, he says, but ye're o'er late, 'cause the bait's a eating deen. And to mak things worse, he says to me, we're trapped, aye we're ta'en. Aye lad crackit, and says we're doomed, and I says dinna surmise. And just as the words come out of our mouths, the creel it started to rise. Up we all gaed and broke the surface, to see us queer new skies. While trying to breathe, we was yerked out by twa-legged, queer-shaped guys. Een of us beasts, he picked me up, as I tried to gie him a nip, but I couldna work my claw no more, 'cause us beast had gien me the snap. My back leg dug in, deep into his skin, as he pulled, it gied him a rip. He's ruined my day, and I hope and I pray that I've ruined his flegging will trap. Nae good enough to sail, he says, as cripples for a pot, so he gied me to the crew to bail, 'cause that's what he had sought. And he bailed me up, and chawed me down, it's me it he had not. But in my pain, oh it wasn't in vain, 'cause my shawl stuck into his throat.